Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your walls using a skim coat. I'll be using my paint roller trick, which is a great way for DIYers to apply a skim coat, whether it's after wallpaper removal, a botched drywall or texturing job, or even after just everyday wear and tear. And if you missed the first video of this skim coating video series, where I showed you all the tools needed to mix a skim coat and also how to apply a skim coat using my paint roller trick, I'll leave a link in the description below. Check it out. So I went ahead and spun the skim coat mud one more time to get it all mixed up again. It's been sitting for 2 hours. So here we go, round 2 of skim coating. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Paul, and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my latest videos. Want to get it up there, and then you're going to smooth it out after you roll it over and make it all consistent. I'm going the opposite direction than I did on the first coat. Just trying to fill any voids a different way. Grab my mud pan, 12-inch knife. Going along the bottom so it's kind of smoothed out a bit. Let me know in the comments below if your walls need a skim coat or what type of drywall project you're working on. I see a couple little areas that are dry, so I'm just going to hit it with some mud. No big deal. I'm going to go over this one more time, smooth it all out. All right, got that skim coated. Gonna let it dry. Might need a little touch up, but other than that, we're pretty looking good. This coat will dry a lot faster than the first coat because it's going over a joint compound, so it absorbs right in it. I'll leave a link in the YouTube card above to my How to Skim Coat playlist. And if you're looking to step up your drywall texturing or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. And if you have a friend that's a DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Check out one of these videos down below.